$2 million semi. Everybody wants to hear about this. Hi, it's Monty Burris with the Trust Realty Group, Keller Williams Referred Urban, and the neighborhood is abuzz over 165 Glendale Avenue. That's right, it's a $2 million semi with no parking. Stretching 3 stories, 4+1 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with a finished basement apartment. This semi is just south of Wright Avenue on the east side of the road. It's 19.5 feet wide, 120 feet deep, and obviously thoroughly renovated. So let's talk about the good stuff. Love the basement apartment. It's beautiful. You can probably get $1,500, $1,600 a month rent. No problem. Love the rooftop decks. It's really nice charm. I don't know how much use they'll actually get, but it's a really nice touch. And there's a few other really nice features. The marble island is a spectacular piece of marble. No question about that. The floating staircases are beautiful. And in general, the quality of the work is really well done. But I really don't like the design, personally. Now, I find it dark. I find it quite cave-like. The fact that they have raised the flooring on the main floor to give the middle living room section kind of a sunken living room feel, to me, is a bit asinine. It makes the place feel smaller and more cave-like because you've really just lowered the roof level in a sense. I actually find the house a little bit dark until you get to the 3rd floor. I do like the rooftop decks, but like I said, I'm not sure how much use they'd get. Now, about the price, they're asking $2 million, and they're asking for offers anytime. There's no offer date on this. Obviously, there's never been a semi without parking that's sold for this number. In fact, there's never been a detached without parking that's sold for this number. The highest price semi that's ever sold was $2 million on the dot, but it had a 2-car garage in the back. That was the one on Parkway, and the highest price detached without parking that's ever sold is 1.803. I sold that one on Wright Avenue. This property should probably sell around the 1.8 mark. Somebody's going to fall in love with it, despite the very, very trendy style that it's been done. Somebody will fall in love with it and probably pony up somewhere over 1.8 is my bet. I don't think that's good money, in my opinion, but no doubt somebody will do it. For the Ronci Report, my name is Monty Burris with the Trust Realty Group. I'm your High Park Roncesvalles specialist. Hey, enjoy the nice weather, folks. Take care.